Hey guys, my name is Deshna and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a beauty related video for you guys. So every time I post a picture on Instagram, whether it's on my Insta story or anything like that, I always get asked questions about the lipstick that I'm wearing. So that really inspired me to make this video so that it kind of answers your question. So I thought why not make a video of the top 7 lipsticks that I am using currently and that I was using for the last 6-7 months. So I think I should also add that this actually was a lot harder than I thought it would be, because I have so many lipsticks in my collections that I really love, and it was really hard to narrow it down to just 7. But I thought that I should really include the lipsticks that I wear the most often and that I get asked the most often about. Without any further ado, let's just get started with my top 7 lipsticks. So I've arranged this in a lighter to darker order. So the first thing, I am going to start with the lip shade that I'm wearing right now. It's a nice nude color and it's my favorite nude color of all time. I've actually even mentioned this in other videos, and that's this Maybelline by Color Sensational Lip Gradation in Mauve 1. So this is how the color looks like, and I'm just going to quickly swatch it for you guys over here. So as you guys can see, that is what the color looks like. Now what I really like the most about this is that even though it's a nude color, it has a pink undertone instead of a brown. This color does look good on majority of the Indian skin tones, and that's why I really like it and it's my favorite. It's like a mix between a liquid lipstick and just a lipstick, because you know, it does not completely dry on your lips, but it does give that liquid lipstick kind of effect where it does stay on your lips for a long time if you're not going to, you know, eat something. So now we're just going to quickly move on to the second shade. So the second shade that I've been really loving is this one, MAC Mere Lipstick. This is a cult favorite. So it's this beautiful light pink color, but it's not too light that it won't look good on olive skin tones like ours. So that's why I really love this one. I'm just going to swatch it for you guys over here. So again, so you can see the difference between the first one and the second one. So the first one is obviously a nude color. Even though it has pink undertones, it's still a nude, and the second one is a lot more pink. And this is a matte formula and it's by MAC. As you can see, it instantly looks a lot different than the first one. It's definitely a lot more pink, but it's the perfect amount of pink. It's not too light or it's not too dark, and I really love the formula too, because I know that MAC matte lipsticks tend to be a little drier. Okay, so we're going to quickly move on to the third lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick by Colourpop. This is Clueless by Colourpop, and it's also a dupe for the Kylie Posse K. So I'm just going to quickly swatch it for you guys, and then I'm going to move on to applying it on my lips. So I'm just going to swatch it over here. So as you guys can see, this one is actually a little lighter than Mere, and also the fact that this is a liquid lipstick. So I'm just going to give you guys a close-up. So I think you can like see the difference here. So now I'm just going to let this dry, because once the color dries up, it does get a little bit darker. So yeah, it's been 30 seconds and this is what the color looks right now. Obviously it's not a very noticeable difference, but it has gone slightly darker. Anytime you see me post a picture with Indian outfit and I'm wearing a pink shade, it's definitely going to be Clueless. So moving on to the fourth shade, it is another liquid lipstick, and this one is by Kylie Cosmetics. So this is Kylie Cosmetics Kristen. So this is a lip kit, which means it comes with a lip pencil and a liquid lipstick. So I'm just going to apply the liquid lipstick, but first let me just swatch it for you guys. So this is a darker pink or you know, like maroon color. So it's like an in-between shade. So this is what this color looks on my lips right now, and you can see it's a lot more coral than the pink shades that I was showing earlier. Now another thing that I want to quickly add about Kylie Cosmetics is that the formula of the liquid lipstick is actually very light and nice. So if I compare this liquid lipstick to the Colourpop one, then the Colourpop liquid lipstick is actually slightly thicker, so you do feel it a lot on your lips as compared to the Kylie ones. Okay guys, so let's just quickly move on to the 5th shade on my list, and let's just ignore my lips right now, and that's because I've been applying a lot of liquid lipsticks and hence why my lips are stained. The 5th shade that I have been loving, and it's actually an offbeat kind of shade, it's the Revlon Colorburst Matte Balm, and this is in the shade Shameless. Okay, super out there kind of violet color. So I'm just going to swatch it over here. Yeah. So as you guys can see, it's a nice purpley violet color, and on days when I'm just feeling, you know, a little extra, I love to put on this color. And another thing that I want to quickly add about this is that it has a very minty smell to it, which, like, you know, I don't know what that is. But this is the only lipstick in this list that does have a particular smell, and it's very minty. So yeah, that is what the color looks like. So like I said, it's definitely not an everyday kind of color. It is a very out there color, but I really love this violet shade. Going to the formula, it is matte. It does dry matte, but it's not a liquid lipstick kind of drying. It does not dry completely. The 6th shade that I'm going to show you guys is probably the most cheapest lipstick I own, but the quality is definitely just as good, and it's the Miss Claire one. So this is Miss Claire in the shade number 10, and whenever I'm going for a maroon crimson color, this is the one that I go for, even though I have a NYX one. But I really love this Miss Claire one, and it's just so inexpensive. Number 10 is my absolute favorite, and it's a beautiful crimson color. It just really goes well with the kind of look that I'm going for. So as you can see, and I think now that you guys are seeing it, you might recognize me wearing this lipstick a lot in December. That's because I did. Honestly, if I could find Miss Claire here, I would literally just buy all the possible shades they have, because the formula is really nice, the quality is really nice. It is at a very, very reasonable price, and it's perfect for college goers who, you know, have a budget but really love wearing lipsticks. We are at the last lipstick that I'm about to show it to you guys, and also I just noticed that whatever I showed you were all matte formulas, so I think by this point it has already been proved that the only kind of lipsticks that I wear majority of is matte. So this is the red one that I'm using right now, and honestly guys, this was the hardest thing for me to choose, because I just have so many different red colors, because I can never be satisfied with the perfect red shade, and I chose this one because this has been honestly the most used in the last 6-7 months. I even wore this for my Christmas video, so oops. So this is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. This one is called shade number 11. It doesn't really have a name, so I'm just going to quickly swatch it for you guys, and there you go. So this is not a darker red lipstick, it's a very, very bright red lipstick, as you can see over here. I just slightly overlined it on this side just because I was using my phone to apply the lipstick, and I really don't want to rub it off, so let's just ignore that. But apart from that, this is what the shade looks like. So like I said, it's a very bright red. It has that liquid lipstick kind of applicator, but does not dry completely on your lips like a liquid lipstick, so hence why it's not super drying on your lips. So that concludes all my top 7 lipsticks that I've been loving for the past few months. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!